host of Author Nation. So if you've been watching, you know that I've been doing some videos on how to promote your book on Facebook or Instagram or LinkedIn. And then I also did a video on how to collaborate with other authors. Now I'm going to do a short series of videos pulling that all together. And today I want to talk about how to collaborate with other authors on Instagram, because collaboration is one of the best ways you can sell your book and get new readers and connect with new people. And so if you haven't watched the video about collaborating, go watch that. Come back and watch this, because I want to make sure that you are ready to collaborate. You know how powerful it is. And then we can get going. All right. So first things first, identify potential collaborators. So on Instagram, start scrolling around. You're looking for people who have the same audience as you. So for example, if you write parenting books, on how to parent children from 5 to 10, well, people who are parenting from children from 5 to 10 might also be reading books on education, be reading books on relationships. So they're probably not reading books on how to finance your retirement after the age of 65. Probably not the same audience. So it doesn't have to be the same genre. Although if you find somebody else who wrote a parenting book similar to yours, that could be a really great collaboration. Because we don't read just one book about parenting, we read many. So find people within your genre, or find people with the same audience as you, and then check out their engagement level. So I know people are like, oh, they have 10,000 followers and I only have 500. But maybe you have 500 really engaged followers, and maybe that's going to be really useful for the person who has 10,000 but not so much engagement. Maybe you can help them boost their engagement. Maybe that's part of the partnership. So look at number of followers, but also look at the engagement level of those followers, because that is equally important. So once you've kind of picked out a few that you want to work with, follow them, interact with them, and build a relationship. Don't just send a cold DM saying, hey, noticed you and I'm looking to collaborate. Do you want to collaborate? No. Follow them, interact with them, build a relationship. That's really important. You want a long-term relationship here. You're not looking around for like one partnership idea and run. You want to build good, solid relationships that you can work with over the years, because you aren't an author for just a week or a month or a year. Once you've published that book, you're an author forever, and you can keep coming back to the same people and doing partnerships. And as both of you build your audiences, you can share that audience with each other. Once you've built the relationship, then you can send them a message or an email saying, hey, I've got some collaboration ideas. Are you interested in collaborating? And then they'll go, yeah. Hopefully, most people do. Some people say no, and be ready for that. Most people say yes. So then you guys can talk about collaboration ideas. So joint lives, takeovers, shout outs, giveaways, collaborative posts, you name it. There are a million ideas. Go watch my video on how to promote your book on Instagram. You can use any of those ideas in a partnership form as well. So once the two of you have figured out what type of partnership you want to do, now you can start planning and promoting your collaboration. So coordinate your schedules, create visuals. If there's something to announce it, and then execute. No guillotines here. That's not what I mean. Work with your partner to actually do the engagement, right? Engage during the event, share across both platforms. You can also take what you're doing on Instagram and share it across Facebook, for example. And then when it's over, follow up. 1, say thank you. 2, evaluate the success. Time, money, energy versus the return you received. Pardon me. And then, of course, stay connected with this new partner so that you can have collaborations, not just now, but ongoing every 6 months or every year or whatever works for you. so that you can continue working together, supporting each other, and building each other's audience. Okay, that's it for Instagram. I'll be back with some other ideas for other platforms later. If you love this, share this with an author who you know needs it. Comment, like it, and that's how you can support me in sharing more content with you. Have a great day.